The Nirvana Intellisys controller embodies unique control features which enable the Nirvana to consistently deliver its full potential. Simple to set up, operate and adjust the operation of a single unit, the Nirvana Intellisys is also able to easily master control multiple units and/or communicate with building management systems. Onboard control of the cooling system variable speed blower ensures compressed air quality, ensuring a stable discharge air temperature is delivered to the air treatment equipment while at the same time avoiding overcooling. The patented adaptive pressure control maximizes the output capacity by accommodating fluctuations in system pressure losses, a significant improvement in compressor control. Protecting and optimizing operation, the Intellisys controller monitors energy usage, logging data, displaying average savings over time, and quantifying savings retained by the business. Paramount to safety and protection of your investment, the Intellisys controller initiates a thorough diagnostic check frequently to ensure reliability. All control and protection functions are conveniently centralized onto one dedicated controller, simplifying maintenance.